Okay, we are back online, folks. We are recording. Okay. We'll send, we were saying that this is a rotation, 180 degrees, about, what's the point?
0, 1.
0, 1. In a sense, this already is a rod technique. So this already has got like a rod from here going to there and going straight across. So if you turn all the way around, that will give you the right answer. I'll give you that answer. So that will give you 3 marks. So rotation, 3 marks. Question, examination. What we're practicing here is examination questions. So this is center of rotation. Okay. Question, another examination question. Rotate triangle P. Now we can actually use this question. They're asking us to rotate it now. Otherwise we have to measure the rotation. So different style of question, different way around. Rotate triangle P 180 degrees about the point -1, 1, label the new triangle A. So now let's do that tracing paper again now. So now watch how I use my tracing paper so we don't waste any. Okay, we're going to try to fit it, squeeze it in a particular way. Okay, right, I'm going to do it here. Okay, Miss, can pass me a rubber from your table? So you rubber this other one out. Yes, for the shape. Okay, I'm going to rub my other shape off so it doesn't confuse the video. If you leave yours on, it doesn't matter. I need to take mine off because I don't want it to be on the original video. Now, I've drawn my original shape, P. I'll put the cross on. What's missing from my... What's missing? What do we say we join? We have that special R-O-D. We have the rod. I've joined a rod onto it. And we've got to rotate it how many degrees? 180. So, ready for 180 now? Okay, watch what I'm doing now, folks. Can you do the same? Can you put your point in there? Grab it. I've got my other finger here on the tracing paper and slowly start turning it around until it reaches the other way around. 180 degrees.
So then it's like -1 for you.
Hang on a second now. Okay, I'm just going to try to... 180 degrees when the rod is straight. Above. What we need to do now, how do we get the new points on? Let me show you how you do new points. Watch this now. Press down hard over here. Press down hard over here. Press down a bit hard over here. Not like so hard that you go through the table. You're not using drilling techniques. Drilling for oil. Now when you pick the tracing paper up, you will see some indentations in your paper. My indentation is here. Check back. My indentation is over here. Check back by putting it back on. And that one's at this position over here. Okay, and I'm going to draw my shape over here. You don't need to draw the rod back in, because the rod wasn't part of the original question, but if you do, that won't make any difference. Because that's the position of your new shape. And I'm going to check it by putting it back on exactly what it was, and it's a lovely match. Oh, are you happy with that? How have we done it? Okay, is this okay with that? This is examination questions. How do we get this to there? You must use the rod. You must connect the point center of in rotation with a rod, a solid piece, to the shape by the cross point, and rotate as a whole thing. So here's my angle of 180 degrees. Okay, that was 180. Okay, we're not going to do the rest of that question. We're going to move on to the next question now.
Reflection.
Reflection. So we are going to put a mirror here. Okay, now let's check that that's the right thing. There we go. So they've tricked us in that question. They've tried to see if we can. Here's our mirror line. Now what we're going to do, if you're going to check this, it's a reflection. We get the shape, we turn it over, and it is absolutely a reflection, no doubt about it. Because the nature shape. So I just fit my tracing paper and put the mirror line back on, and it matches exactly onto it. So for this question, what do we say it is? We say this question is a reflection in the mirror line. Where's the mirror? I'm actually writing on the mirror line. What's the equation of that line? Does anyone know? Anyone feel brave enough to give me an equation for that line?
Y equals x, y equals x.
Y equals x. Lovely. Now these questions normally only have how many marks?
2.
2 marks, because there's reflection and mirror line. Done. Been saved.
Alright.
Inshallah. Right, okay, let's have a look at that question.
Just about.
Just about, inshallah. Question S13, last question before your break, inshallah. Rotate triangle a quarter turn clockwise about the point P. Label the triangle C. That's what it means. That's what's missed up. We know the angle. Okay, now, what do we say we do when we have to rotate the shapes away from the center of rotation? So how do we join them with? We join them with a rod. So we join it by the closest point. Okay. By all means, your tracing paper you can rub off what you've just used, and the paper can, because the paper is quite thick paper, the tracing paper, and the tracing paper can be reused. You won't necessarily have sheets and sheets of paper for each person. You just have to kind of be economic with it, with the use of the tracing paper. Right, here we go. Okay, I'm going to this corner here now. See a more cleaner corner. And what angle did they say? 90 degrees, quarter turn clockwise. So which way is clockwise? Clockwise is going to be
right
that way. And I'm going to get my quarter now. Okay. So the rod will have to go from here to there, and then we stop. So let's have a look what that shape will look like. So I've got my rod, I've got my tracing paper in the right place, right in the corner. We're not wasting any tracing paper. Okay, we put corners, circles. Mr. Saf, are you following me?
yeah
Okay, and then I'm going to put my rod on as well. Put my rod on. Okay, and there's my P. Okay, folks, watch on. Here's my finger here, folks. Look what I'm going to do now. I'm going to slowly spin it around. Look at my finger. Yeah, watch what I'm doing. Slowly spinning it around until I tell me to stop. Stop. Okay, now look over here. Can you see carefully that my dots are slightly offline?
Yeah.
They should really be on the corner, shouldn't they?
Yeah.
So we're going to use a little bit of our own judgment here. So hold on, look here. Can you see I'm slightly off the line? I'm going to put it on the line in my answer, because I mean, just the nature of this kind of question. So it should be here. Pick it up, drop it down, check it. That's point. Pick it up, drop it down. This next point should be here. Pick it up, drop it down. Join it up. And it says label this shape. What is it? Label C or something?
yeah
C. I'm going to just double check my one and see if that looks okay. So Bismillah, we started from there, we went like this, and Alhamdulillah, we got to there. Alhamdulillah, I'm happy with that. It's a good place to have a break. Okay. From the questions. Okay, now, in our break, we're going to read some Quran, inshallah.
Videos.
I'll see if I've got any videos.